Hello to all. This is a video and it will teach you all about the running. It will also include bonus information such as explaining what running is. Aren't you lucky? So let's move straight on now because we have already wasted a lot of time with the intro to this video. What is running? Running is when you move your legs so much so that they end up making you run. There are two main types of run. The first one is the sprint, and this is used when you're being chased down by the cops. This is often the main reason why you would learn how to run in the first place. You would also sprint as well if you're desperate to use the toilet. So you can see, sprinting is very useful. The other type of run is jogging. This involves casually running slowly. This form of run actually serves no purpose whatsoever, so it completely baffles me as to why anyone would do this form of running. Despite that, for some reason, this form of running actually tends to be quite popular, and you often see many people take to the streets and just start jogging on the side of the road. Personally, I believe a taxi or private jet is a more efficient means of transportation, and it avoids you having to exercise, which is an added bonus. Since most of you probably take private jets when you're just casually travelling around, I'm going to just focus mainly on the sprinting aspect of running in this tutorial. So let's begin showing you how to run now. So what you need to do is you just need to make sure that you find a good space to run around in. I'm just going to move this chair out the way, like so. And we have a bit of space to work with, but not enough space for my liking. There is a bed right here, and what you want to do is, if you are in a room with a bed, you want to move the bed out the way. So I'm just going to do that first, okay? I'm just going to move this bed out the way, and it should give me enough space to correctly demonstrate how to run. So just bear with me while I just be a few moments. Moving it out the way. Heavy. Okay. Get that out of the way. From the other side might be a bit easier. It's really heavy. It's very heavy. It's a heavy bed. It's not working. Maybe if I can squash it down to size. So I've just found out that the bed is quite heavy and I don't think I can move it. Bad back and stuff. So what we have to do is just work around the bed, and you'll still be able to see how to run by the demonstration that I give you. So just bear that in mind. In fact, I'll just get on the bed now actually while I'm here. So the first thing you want to do is to stand around like this. Just stand, okay? And then next you want to move both of your legs. But notice how if your legs just move like this, then you're not actually running, okay? So you have to lift one leg off the ground like that, and then you want to lift the other leg off the ground like that. And then what you want to do is try and avoid using your arms to lift your legs, because that's a lot of energy, that's a lot of work and effort. So try and let your legs lift themselves up off the ground, like so. That's 1, and that's 2. So you've got the basic steps of running. So next you want to do it really quickly in order to sprint. So we'll try and speed up. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Yep, that's it. Just maintain the speed if you can. Yeah, very good. That's another one. Notice that leg went up in the air. Look, that one just went up, you know? And we repeat. You know, just take it in turns. And if you want, you can run on the same foot. See, look, I'm running on the same foot now. But please try to alternate it where you can, because it's just a bit easier. Like that. And like that. And then we'll try and speed up even more. Like so, because at the moment we're just jogging. We're just jogging at the moment. So it's not that quick. You want to speed up. So I'm just going faster now. Yeah, this is world record pace almost. And that's it, really. You just want to speed up where you can. The thing is with sprinting is it's knackering. You know, some people will think, I don't need to do this, I've got my private jet, I'm just going to use that instead. Well, yes, that's true, but there may be circumstances where your private jet is getting a wash, so you just can't use it at that moment in time. Which is why, you know, sprinting comes in handy, because you can get to places really quickly, you know? Probably not as fast as the private jet, but, you know, still quite quickly, you know? And that's that, really. So yeah, just try and run for as long as you can, and as fast as you can as well. Very important. You can do the hand movements as well, like this, you know, to mix it up. And that's it, really. So as you can see, I'm in full flight. This is as fast as I can go, and this is probably where you'll want to develop your skills to be able to run this fast as well. It's a side view. You can see the side view. And that's it, really. This is running. This is what all the people do when they're outside. When you see them outside, that's what they do. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm absolutely knackered after that sprint. Just trying to get the air back in my lungs. And that is running in a nutshell. So I hope this gives you the confidence now to go out there or in there and run yourself. Well, I know one thing for sure. I certainly won't be doing a lot of running in the future. Just don't need to. It's, you know, everything's close proximity. You know, it's wall to wall. Don't really need to run. Perhaps when I need the toilet, then I need to sprint somewhere. But other than that, probably don't. Probably won't use the running techniques. But that's not to say that you shouldn't use it. You may be in a bigger room, or you may actually go outside as well. So there is that. You know, it's quite big outside. Lots of distance and stuff. So there, it's quite good to run. If there is another video that you would like to see and feel that I'm the best person to coach you on that topic, then please let me know in the comment section down below on this video. And I will read it, I'll read the comment that you suggest, and maybe I will actually end up doing a video on that topic that you just don't know. It's completely random. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Now I'm just gonna actually go and try and move my bed now. It's getting silly now, actually, because, you know, if I need to go to the toilet, I can't get there quickly if I need to, that is, because there's a bed. I need to use the toilet at times. So I'm just going to try and move the bed. Wish me luck. Right. No, it's too heavy. I give up. I tried. See you later.